the shadows, they played their game. Behind the screens, they hide their name. Whispers turn into a tidal wave. Truth gets lost, but lies they save. Oh, democracy on the line. Innocence the first to decline. Messages that twist and bend. Where does the deception end? Are we free or just controlled? Troll factories breaking the mold. What's the cost of this charade? In the end, who pays the price they've made? Fake news spread like wildfire. Trust gets burned and hopes expire. Anonymous, they weave their tales. Innocence lost and justice fails. Oh, freedom under attack. Propaganda pushing back. Digital soldiers in the fight. But who defends the truth tonight? Are we free or just controlled? Troll factories breaking the mold. What's the cost of this charade? In the end, who pays the price they've made? For every lie, there's a consequence. For every truth, there's defense. But when the lines are blurred so deep, who will stand and who will we? Are we free or just controlled? Troll factories breaking the mold. What's the cost of this charade? In the end, who pays the price they've made? Let's take a stand, unveil the guise, shatter the myths, reveal the lies. For every voice that speaks in truth, we'll find a way, we'll find the proof.